Nakita ko na ang aking mga herbs. Thyme, sage, rosemary, chili padi. Kailangan mo ng pine tree para sa Christmas tree. Pero sa amin kailangan ng pine nuts.
Ilang kilo?
Adwa.
2 kilo.
So this is sage. At ang bango ng sage. Herb talaga. Galing.
Parang iba yung texture niya. No?
Parang may coating. Onions in and let it sweat. Once the onion is translucent, you can put in your minced pork now. Next is chicken liver. Now we will put the aromatics. Sage, thyme, and rosemary. Warning, you will be having smell gasam kasi magiging maamoy ang inyong kusina. Kain na po tayo.
Luto na ba yan?
Ang bango. This is the time that you can put a dash of wine, but for us we'll be going to add water. This is to deglaze the pan para makuha nyo yung mga smokiness flavor na nandoon sa ilalim ng pan. Then after that, you can add salt and pepper. Once salt and pepper is added, you can add now your pine nuts. Once the water evaporates, turn off the heat and let it cool. And then we can fill up our porchetta. Now that the filling has cooled down, we will add lemon zest. Okay. Para merong tangy taste. Then parmesan. And breadcrumbs. This will act as a binder para sa ating filling. Okay. And lagyan natin sila. Atin na natin silang haluin until well incorporated, and then we'll set aside and we'll work on our pork. This is a 2 kilogram pork, and what we can do is before we score marks on the pork, make sure that it is dry, and then we'll put scores in here. Iwain natin ganun, pero hindi siya tatagos ng todo para lang sa crevice mapupunta lahat ng ating mga asin to release the moisture. Kasi ang kalaban ng crispiness ay moisture. We need to season it with salt and pepper. And we're ready to put our fillings. Spread it evenly and generously para hindi lumabas yung filling. We'll line it up with mortadella ham. Talagang festive ang ating porchetta. Then, close your book. Yung natin ang filling, ilalagay uli natin dito, then itatap uli natin ng mortadella ham, then saka natin tatalian ang ating porchetta. Ito na ang ating tied up porchetta. It seems na it's almost ready para isa lang sa oven, but we will wait for overnight para makita natin na dried up yung balat. So we will be putting this one in oven bukas pa. For now, it will be on the fridge. See you tomorrow! This is our pork belly after an overnight in the fridge. Makikita nyo, talagang tuyo na ang skin. But what you need to do is, you need to pat dry still para talagang matanggal ang excess moisture and magiging crispy ang ating skin. And here, we lined up celery and carrots. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, papato natin dyan yung ating pork belly, ating porchetta. Lalagyan natin ng tubig and we will put that in the oven for 20 minutes and set your oven preheated at 200 degrees Celsius. We are putting water para mag-steam siya mamaya pag sa loob ng oven. This will make our porchetta moist dahil matagal siyang lulutuin. Now our oven is preheated. We will be putting it inside the oven and let it cook. After 2 hours and 15 minutes, ito na po ang ating porchetta. 1.5 hour po siya sa 170 degrees Celsius. At yung natirang time, dun po siya sa 200 degrees Celsius para maging crackling ang ating balat. That's the sound of deliciousness. Patanggalin natin mga string para maganda siya pag kinarve natin. Let's carve it in here. Dapat serrated na yung panggamit nyo para makakarve ng maayos. Look at that. All the moisture and yung feelings natin. Wow. Perfecto, mamma mia! Sarap! Okay. Ngayon, atin ang titikman ang porchetta. First is yung crispy na balat. Malutong, pero hindi ganun katigas. Kaya nyong nguyain, pero mag-ingat kayo baka masira ang inyong ngipin. Ngayon titikman naman natin yung laman. Tama nyo yung taba. Talagang malambot, juicy, moist, at yung flavor at lasa ng sage, rosemary, and thyme talagang nag-outstand doon. Nanood siya sa lamam. Tapos, nandun yung texture ng ham. Nalagay natin yung mortadella ham. Lalong-lalo nang naging prominent yung lasa ng chicken liver. Tapos itong mga bite-sized pieces na natatanggal, hindi siya part nung pork belly but siya yung mga minced meat. Mapaparami ang kain nyo nito. Pero dapat magdahan-dahan kayo. Ang sarap. Ibang-iba siya sa Filipino version ng porchetta na tanglad, toyo, suka or kalamansi, tsaka mga green onion. Ito naman to the side na herby o herbal. Paano naman kapag meron kang porchetta tapos meron kang camembert cheese? Ano naman ang lasa niya? So heated cheese, ayan, nagbe-melt, oozing. Okay, then tikman natin. Nagdagdag ng alat yung cheese, pero lalong naging mas pronounced yung flavor ng porchetta after nung covering ng cheese. I think talagang good partner ito. Teka lang. Porchetta, cheese, tapos punong-puno na bibig mo. Wine, then repeat. Kain po tayo. Maligayang Pasko!